to our sir. My name is John Pinocchio. Your graduate. Pinasas we are a resolution class. So your resolution. Allow me to walk you to the front area. Please. Welcome to the practice area. We have the request for the reviewer just for on the side of the box. Good day, welcome to our supper. My name is Janina, your practice officer for today. Okay, assistant, do you have your reservation class?
No.
Yes, sir. You want to move to the
Yes, I would like to
Okay. May I ask you your preferred date and time, please?
My preferred date and time is January 19, 2026 until January 2026.
Okay, sir, your preferred date and time is January 19, 2026 at exactly 6 p.m. Until January 20, 2026 at exactly 8 p.m. And this will for all, check if your preferred date and time is available in your system. Okay, sir, your preferred date and time or your schedule is available, and allow me to remind you that our policy is therefore your estimated time of arrival is 5:30 p.m. and your estimated time of departure is 4:30 p.m. Is that okay, sir?
Yes, okay.
Okay. We will now proceed with your distributed information. May I request any of your valid documents?
This is my driver license.
Based on your identification card, your registration's number is 1129 18007. And the name of the card holder is your lawyer, John Manuel. And allow me to spell that information for you, please. Your last name is Leroy. E for Echo, U for Echo, L for Lima, O for Oscar, G for God, I for Angel, L for Oscar. And your first name is John Manuel. G for Juliet, O for Oscar, H for Oscar, N for November, N for Mike, A for Alpha, N for November, U for Echo, E for Echo, and K for Echo. And may I ask what is the purpose of the stay? Is it professional or personal?
For personal.
Okay, sir, professional.